everybody, my name is Rini and this is the official welcome to my YouTube channel. Rini's Ruminations on Beauty and Lifestyle is basically an offshoot of my blog on Instagram, Rini's Ruminations, which I started I think in 2018, definitely pre-pandemic, and it has just sort of grown from there. Basically, a friend said to me recently, well, why don't you do a YouTube channel? And I thought, okay, why not? So last week, I just basically threw up some videos from Instagram, Rini's Ruminations, and quickly realized that the portrait style of videos that's done on Instagram doesn't quite jive with the YouTube format, which is landscape. So I'm learning. Hopefully, this will be, a growing process and you'll grow along with me. So again, welcome. I pretty much just speak off the cuff and often refer to my handy dandy little blue notebook here with notes of what I'm talking about. So today I'm going to keep it simple. First thing is I want to thank the folks at Clarins who through PR sent me their iconic double serum. For those of you who may not be familiar with Clarins, it's a company from France. They've been around for 65 plus years. And the double serum is arguably their #1 best-selling anti-aging serum. You can find it obviously on their site. You can find it at Ulta, Sephora, better department stores, things like that. It retails for about $132, but you're getting 1.6 ounces. So, this is a nice size container here, and it should last a long time. I have started to use it. The litmus test for me is, does it make my skin itchy? I have very, very sensitive skin, particularly around my eyes. And so far, so good. So if you want to check out Clarins, I do encourage it. And you will obviously hear me talk about other products in their lineup. The other thing we'll do today is one of the beauty boxes that I subscribe is Laurel and Reed. So this is the March box. So let's do a classic unboxing that you see a lot on YouTube, and let's see what's inside. You get a nice little card that just describes, the products in full. And I'll make a little mess here on my kitchen table, but that's okay. So let's see. We have, oh, and by the way, it's pronounced blue, even though it's B-L-U-H with the umlaut over the U, it is pronounced blue. So this is the exfoliating cleanser. Let's open up the box here. Oh, you get a nice little scoop with it. Exfoliating cleanser with French green clay and moringa leaf. Oh, you can see kind of a cool green clay, grainish stuff there. So that'll be kind of fun if you want to get a little exfoliation. And I've previously on Instagram written about blue, and what I like about them is this pretty design on all their packaging. What else do we have? This is their Botanic Retinol Cell Renewal Concentrate. Let's get that out. And that's what that looks like. Again, the pretty design. You may have seen, if you follow me on Rini's, that I occasionally do something called Too Pretty to Keep in a Cupboard, and these are products like this that I feel you can keep on your bathroom counter, on your dresser, just because they're just so aesthetically pleasing. You don't want to hide them in a drawer or a cupboard. And then lastly, this is the antioxidant face oil. Okay, so Laurel and Reed, and I will put links to everything in the description box below, is a very, very nice monthly beauty box. As you can see, you get full-size products. When I first started purchasing from them, they sometimes would mix brands, but it seems in the past year or so, they keep to one brand. And it is a nice way to be introduced to particularly indie brands that you may not be familiar with otherwise. So just a couple of quick things about Blue. It is the owner is a woman named Becky. This is all done in Western Massachusetts. And I encourage you to go on the website, not only to see the range of products, but to read the story, how this came to be. Basically, it was through Becky's love for her child. and you'll see when you read, you know, the about. Let's see, the meaning of the word blue is to blossom, flourish, and thrive. Products are in the, I'd say, $50 to $150 range, but they are all plant-based, cruelty-free, doesn't have a lot of the, you know, icky ingredients that we don't want to see in our skincare products. So that's basically it for today. Check out Blue, check out Clarins, check out this channel. I hope you will like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.